Hello followers on Cape Cod for Easter weekend, going to a new fish market. I'm excited to see what they have there. We'll be looking at a few orders right after. I wanted to show you the quality of fishes. Like you guys know, I work in Japan for 6 years, so it's very important for me to look at the freshness of the fish. We don't always look for the pricing first. The quality is the most important thing. So let's go and check this out. A small issue. Actually, our new store is closed until the season starts. So we're gonna go to the fish market, which we actually have been for many years. So let's go there. Here we are in our local fish market. I like it. I can see that they don't keep the fish directly on ice. I see two very nice thick loin of cod in Cape Cod. Always good to see. I see a very nice dark red tuna. Very good for steak, very good for tartar. A very good also piece of swordfish. You can see it's shining, it's pink, very good for grilling. 3 pieces of scallop. Must have been a good seller today. Some shrimp back there for shrimp cocktail, of course, it's a must. A few crab cake there, some scallop au gratin, as we say in France. And overall, a very good fish market. Definitely, I will buy fish from there. A bit pricey, but I will go for quality first. Thank you. Here we are in our big grocery store. I see that they don't keep all the shellfish on ice. I see open oyster, I see open clams. Definitely not something I want to buy. The fishes also seems to sit directly on ice, that burning the flesh. The blood inside the swordfish is also dark. The blood on the cod, not something you want to see. The salmon seems to be frozen. I can see the hole inside the fillet. Some cakes, which are most of the time made out of leftover, not something I really want to buy. Shrimps will be for another video. Definitely not a store which I will buy fresh fish. Does not really matter the price. To me, quality, I rather spend a bit more dollars and have a great quality. Here we are in our local grocery store. I can see right away and they're piling the fish. There is no ice. I don't see any ice. And like you can see, the flounder are gray, are slimy, not something you want to buy. And then we have also some cod, which looks very gray. There is no shininess to it. The salmon has been frozen. You can see the hole in there. And also some prepared food on the back, marinated, wrapped with bacon. Not something you want to buy. You rather to do it yourself. Overall, not a store I will definitely buy fish from. Bonjour, I hope you really liked the video and I've learned a few tricks about choosing the fish from different size store and fish market. Please subscribe and drop a like.